we got a very good response from everyone. We jointly talked about India standing against terrorism, and India will not talk to Pakistan other than if they will finish their terrorist camps. That statement was very strong by each and every member of, and we made it clear that no talk will happen unless they finish their terrorist camps from Pakistan, and no terror attack. Unless that happens, our Prime Minister is not going to talk to them. I think they received the message, because everybody was talking about peace, and peace can't happen if these kinds of attacks continuously happens on our nation. I think today in the evening also people showed their love for Indians, especially the diaspora staying here, even the rulers and general public. They have all the faith on India, on our Prime Minister. The growth of India they are watching, and this nation and India, I think we have got brotherly relations, and together we want to march for the development. And that's what their people are also saying. They're talking about development. They know that India is peace-loving nation, and they will not create any problem for others. That's why our people in this country are also welcome.